This is an E70 CoughAssist device, which is different to the Nippy Clearway and also provides an effective mechanism for airway clearance. We'll talk through some of the features of this before we talk about how it actually works. So at the back of the device, there is a detachable battery which can be removed, and then we can demonstrate the level of power in this battery. There is a filter at the back which can be removed and washed. The power supply comes in here, and then on this side there is a data card which can be removed and put through a computer to look at patient compliance or used as an option to review practice. And then on the right hand side of the machine there is the air outlet port. Prior to use of the CoughAssist, we need to attach the circuit, which comes pre-packed with a filter, the tube, a connector and the mask, and this will attach into the right hand side of the machine. In this case, the recommendation is that the filter stays at the CoughAssist side of the device rather than the patient side. So to turn on the machine, we press the on and off button to the right hand side of the screen. This allows the motor to start and the machine to boot up. We can see that this is on a manual mode with the inspiratory pressure set at 25 centimetres of water and an expiratory pressure set at -40 centimetres of water. To switch to the therapy mode, we press the therapy button. The machine becomes noticeably louder, and now we can test how the device is working. To inhale, we push the paddle as far over to the right as possible, and we can see the bar graph reach the appropriate pressure. And then if we press the paddle to the far left, it will cycle down to the negative pressure and it will give us the appropriate pressure. One other point of note is that this machine is currently unlocked with a padlock at the top right hand side of the screen. If we needed to unlock it, we would unlock it by pushing the paddle to the plus sign to the far right and the down button here down and holding those two for 5 seconds. As the machine is unlocked, we're in a position to check the other alternative settings. So pressing the setting button, we can now see we're in manual, and we can use these two buttons here to go up and down. If we press down and then press the modify button, this allows us to look at the other alternative settings which we have available. So we can have advanced automatic mode or an automatic mode. The automatic and advanced auto modes, we have the two options. One is effectively a timed mode where we set the inspiratory times and expiratory times with a pause, and the other involves a patient triggering system called Cough Track. So if we come down, highlight this, modify, we're then in a position to turn on the Cough Track, and this will pick up when the patient makes an inspiratory effort and run the cycle according to the patient's own effort. If we look at advanced auto mode, this gives us the option to set pre-therapy breaths of up to 10 breaths, and these pressures can be titrated independently of the pre-cough breaths. So we have 4 pre-therapy breaths here and 1 cough. On the auto mode, we can see how the timed session works. So pressing the therapy to start the treatment, it cycles to an inspiratory pressure, an expiratory pressure, and then a pause. This can be seen here with a countdown and a pause. We also get an indication of the insufflation breath and how quickly the patient is exhaling in terms of their cough peak flow. This is currently comparatively low as I'm occluding the mask, which means that we're not getting a high figure. By opening the mask up, we can see we get a considerably higher figure. To stop this cycle, we just press the standby mode. If we change this to the auto track mode, come down, modify, put on the cough track, confirm, finish. then press therapy again. It relies on an inspiratory effort being made, and then we'll cycle through the process. It will not cycle automatically until it gets another inspiratory effort. With the advanced auto mode, you have the option for the pre-therapy breaths. Set on a timer or on the cough track, it allows us to give some pre-cough breaths. I shall demonstrate now. Press the therapy button. It cycles to the inspiratory pressure and relaxes down again. Inspiratory pressure, relaxes down. Inspiratory pressure, relaxes down, and you can see the pressure across the horizontal bar. With one final breath before the cough and up to the negative pressure. This will repeat as many times as it has been programmed to. Breath in and out. Gently out, out, gently out. Breath in and out gently. Breath in and cough out hard. Cough out, cough out. Breath in and out. A breath in and out. Breath in and cough out hard. Cough, 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 cough.